Hi learners, welcome back to the Talk and Tell English channel. Do you want to speak English in real life? Here are 100 simple dialogues you can use every day. Listen, repeat, and start speaking with confidence.
Let's begin.
Greetings and small talk. Meeting someone new. Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name? Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
I'm David.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
I'm David.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Nice to meet you too, David. Are you new here? Nice to meet you too, David. Are you new here? Yes, I just moved last week. Yes, I just moved last week. Oh, welcome. Where are you from? Oh, welcome. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. Asking how someone is. Hey, how are you today? Hey, how are you today? I'm good, thanks.
And you?
I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine, just a little tired. I'm fine, just a little tired. Oh, did you sleep late last night? Oh, did you sleep late last night? Yes, I was watching a movie. Yes, I was watching a movie. Huh, that happens to me too. Haha, that happens to me too. Saying goodbye. Okay, I have to go now. Okay, I have to go now. Oh, really? Where are you going? Oh, really? Where are you going? I'm meeting a friend for lunch. I'm meeting a friend for lunch. That sounds nice. Have fun. That sounds nice. Have fun. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Yes, see you. Take care. Yes, see you. Take care. Talking about the weather. Wow, it's really hot today. Wow, it's really hot today. Yes, I'm sweating already. Yes, I'm sweating already. Do you like hot weather? Do you like hot weather? Not really. I prefer cool weather. Not really. I prefer cool weather. Me too. I wish it would rain soon. Me too. I wish it would rain soon. Same here. Rain would feel nice. Same here. Rain would feel nice. Asking where someone is from. Excuse me. May I ask where you are from? Excuse me. May I ask where you are from? Sure, I'm from Sri Lanka. Sure, I'm from Sri Lanka. Oh, that's interesting. Is it your first time here? Oh, that's interesting. Is it your first time here? Yes, I came here for work. Yes, I came here for work. Nice. How do you like it so far? Nice. How do you like it so far? It's great. People are very friendly. It's great. People are very friendly. Talking about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and listening to music. I like reading books and listening to music. That's nice. I enjoy playing football. That's nice. I enjoy playing football. Do you play every weekend? Do you play every weekend? Yes, usually on Saturdays. Yes, usually on Saturdays. Maybe we can play together sometime. Maybe we can play together sometime. At a party. Do you know anyone here? Do you know anyone here? Not really. I just arrived. Not really. I just arrived. Oh, don't worry. You can meet my friends. Oh, don't worry. You can meet my friends. That would be great. Thank you. That would be great. Thank you. I'm Sarah, by the way. I'm Sarah, by the way. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Tom. On the phone. Hello, is this Sarah? Hello, is this Sarah? Yes, speaking. Who is this? Yes, speaking. Who is this? It's Tom.
How are you?
It's Tom.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine. Are you free tomorrow? I'm fine. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. What's the plan? Yes, I am. What's the plan?
Apologizing.
Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. That's okay. Don't worry. That's okay. Don't worry. Did you get stuck in traffic? Did you get stuck in traffic? Yes, there was a big jam. Yes, there was a big jam. No problem. Let's start now. No problem. Let's start now. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. Thanking someone. Thanks for your help today. Thanks for your help today. You're welcome. It was no problem. You're welcome. It was no problem. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I'm glad I could help. I'm glad I could help. Let's meet again soon. Let's meet again soon. Yes, definitely.
See you.
Yes, definitely. See you. At home. Asking for help. Can you help me wash the dishes? Can you help me wash the dishes? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Do you want me to rinse them first? Do you want me to rinse them first? Yes, please. That would be great. Yes, please. That would be great. Thanks a lot for helping. Thanks a lot for helping. No worries. I'm happy to help. No worries. I'm happy to help.
Dinner time. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Great.
I'm so hungry.
Great.
I'm so hungry. What are we having today? What are we having today? We have chicken curry and rice. We have chicken curry and rice. Wow, that sounds delicious. Wow, that sounds delicious. Come, let's eat together. Come, let's eat together. Watching TV. What are you watching? What are you watching? A movie. Do you want to join? A movie. Do you want to join? Sure. What's it about? Sure. What's it about? It's a comedy about a funny cat. It's a comedy about a funny cat. Sounds interesting. Let's watch it. Sounds interesting. Let's watch it. I think you'll like it. I think you'll like it. Talking about sleep. I'm so tired today. I'm so tired today. You should go to bed early tonight. You should go to bed early tonight. Yes, I stayed up too late yesterday. Yes, I stayed up too late yesterday. What were you doing? What were you doing? I was finishing my homework. I was finishing my homework. Try to sleep early tonight. Try to sleep early tonight. Cleaning the room. Let's clean the living room today. Let's clean the living room today. Okay, I'll vacuum the carpet. Okay, I'll vacuum the carpet. I'll dust the shelves and tables. I'll dust the shelves and tables. Don't forget to organize the books. Don't forget to organize the books. Sure, I'll do that. Sure, I'll do that. It'll look great once we finish. It'll look great once we finish. Answering the door. Who's at the door? Who's at the door? It's the delivery man. It's the delivery man. Oh, I was expecting a package. Oh, I was expecting a package. Can you sign here, please? Can you sign here, please? Sure, thank you. Sure, thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Asking for Wi-Fi password. What's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? It's 12:30 for home. It's 12:30 for home. Thanks. I need to check my email. Thanks. I need to check my email. No problem. Is your device connected? No problem. Is your device connected? Yes, it's working now. Yes, it's working now.
Great.
Enjoy surfing the web.
Great.
Enjoy surfing the web. Making tea. Do you want some tea? Do you want some tea? Yes, please. I'd love some. Yes, please. I'd love some. How do you like it? How do you like it? With milk and a little sugar. With milk and a little sugar. Okay, I'll make it for you. Okay, I'll make it for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Fixing a light. The light isn't working. The light isn't working. I'll change the bulb. I'll change the bulb. Do we have a spare bulb? Do we have a spare bulb? Yes, I found one in the drawer. Yes, I found one in the drawer.
Great.
I'll install it now.
Great.
I'll install it now. All done. The light is working again. All done. The light is working again. Good job, learners. See you in the second part. Until then, practice it. Goodbye, everyone.